Hey, it's your girl Kdiddavis, come back out to you one more time, and this is just a quick small video talking about subscription boxes. So you know I'm doing a lot right now because I'm trying to fill up not the space but kind of having more content. I always wanted to do subscription boxes, and it seemed like the best time to do it in quarantine. I've got so much makeup and stuff like that and crap, like not crap but like I got some things but I thought was crap, but some things I know I'm not going to be able to use, and I got some snacks I didn't like because it was like American stuff. I like the international ones, right? So I hope you're really enjoying the content, what I'm doing for you guys. Other things are right now. So what am I doing? So some of the quarantine, some of the subscription boxes that I got, like the Lip Monthly, the treats, and what else? I got one more Lip Monthly, treats, and I forgot, it was one more box that I did, but I got them initially on the kid pick one, right? I canceled that one. Apparently Katanya was right. Where the hell was the rest of the stuff, right? So I actually went on each of those websites separately, and they usually are the cheaper. The treat ones is it like $1 cheaper, and I'm like, and I went to that website and I got everything from there instead of Amazon. I love Amazon, but if I'm gonna get more and less money, I'm gonna go to the other website. So also Lip Monthly, I ended up getting 4 months for free on their website and got it over there. So yes, so if you want to get like try out subscription boxes, maybe probably go to the actual site because they usually give you a discount. Also, when you do it first time for Amazon, they also give you a discount. So you could try either one if you want to try it. If you want a code, I could definitely give you codes for stuff. So I get some points here and there, you know, to help your sister out. You're just saying, you feel me? So yeah, that's what I've been doing so far, and I'm really liking subscription boxes, especially the makeup ones. I'm not really a makeup or girly girl, but you know, look at me. Your girl is trying. Ow. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. But yeah. But anyway, your girl's out here trying to do her thing, trying to live her best life and be the best person that she could be. Yes. Bye. Later. Love you guys. Ta-da!